5-element theory and correspondences. Okay, question number 1. Which element corresponds to the season spring?
Letter A, wood.
Which direction is associated with the fire element?
Letter A, south.
What color is linked to water element?
Letter E, black.
Which taste corresponds to the metal element?
Letter E, pungent.
Which climate is associated with the earth element?
Dampness, letter E.
What is the stage of development for the fire element?
The answer is letter C, transformation.
What is the yin-yang quality of the water element?
Atmos, yen.
Which animal
Letter
class
E.
corresponds to the fire element? What's your answer?
Birds.
Which domestic animal is linked to earth
Letter
element?
E.
Hello?
Letter B, ox.
Ox.
Hello. The
Yes.
answer is ox. Letter B.
Which grain is associated with the wood element?
Wheat. Letter E.
What is the yin organ for the fire element?
The heart.
Which yang
Letter
organ
E.
belongs to metal element?
Letter E, large intestine.
Which sense organ siya dili din sila ma-memorize, no? Which sense organ is linked to water element?
Okay.
What's your answer? Answer?
Letter E, ears. Is connected.
What
E,
emotion is,
ears.
yeah. What emotion is associated with wood element?
Anger in the
Which
liver.
sound is linked to the fire element?
Letter E, laughing.
Laughing. Ano kung saan naman ka? In the,
Laughing then.
in the production,
Sorry.
the
Laughing.
production or Shang cycle, which element follows wood?
Fire.
In the control or cool cycle, which element controls water?
Is earth.
In the
Letter E.
counteracting cycle, which element does wood counteract?
The metal is letter E.
What is the meridian point term for the well level or the
Is a jing. Letter
which
E.
organ pair belongs to the earth element?
Si letter E, spleen and stomach.
Which organ is considered the yin organ of the water element?
Yes, the kidney. Letter E.
The minister fire consists of which two organs?
The percadium and triple burner.
Which direction is linked to metal element?
Waste. Letter E.
What color represents the fire element?
Red. Letter E.
Which base is associated with the water element?
The salty. Letter E.
Climate matches the metal element.
Dryness. Letter E.
What is the stage of development for the wood element?
The limit is the birth. Letter E.
What is the yin-yang quality of the earth element?
Letter E. Center.
Which animal class corresponds to water element?
A fish.
Which domestic animal is linked to fire element?
Fall. Letter E. Fall.
Owl. Which grain is associated with the metal element?
Him. Letter B.
What is the yang organ for the wood element?
Gallbladder. Letter E.
Which sense organ is linked to fire element?
Tongue. Letter E.
What emotion is associated with the earth element?
Letter E. Defensiveness.
Which sound is linked to water element?
Groaning. Letter D.
The fire element has special designation for heart and small intestine. What is the designation?
Is the letter B, Emperor Fire.
Which season is not assigned to any of the five elements?
Maybe D, none.
The five-element system pairs each element with a stage of development. Which stage corresponds to water element?
The same letter D, storage.
In the yin-yang classification, which element is described as lesser yin?
The metal, letter D,
Shaoyin, no? Shaoyin.
Xiaoyan.
The fire element corresponds to two additional organs beyond the heart and small intestine. Which of the following is one of those two organs?
The punit is letter E, pericardium.
Which tissue type is paired with metal element?
Letter B, skin.
Which element is linked to the climate wind?
Okay. Letter E, the wood.
Which element's yin
Wood.
organ is the lungs?
It's a metal.
Which
Letter
element
D,
is associated with the color yellow?
earth. Letter C,
Which element is the gallbladder?
is a wood. Letter E,
The emotion anger is linked to which element?
the same E, wood.
Which direction is associated with the fire element?
Is letter B in a south.
Which grain is paired with the wood element?
Letter E, wet.
The stage of development called transformation aligns with which element?
A fire. Letter B.
Which element is associated with the climatic condition cold?
Water. Letter D.
Which element is linked to the domestic animal dog?
The water. Letter D.
Water?
Yes. Which element is linked to the
Which
domestic
element
animal?
corresponds to the taste bitter?
Fire. Letter B.
The fire element also includes triple burner. What is the yin-yang classification of the triple burner?
Is the yang. Letter B.
Which element is linked to the sense organ eyes?
Is wood.
In the five
Letter
elements,
E.
in the five elements correspondence, which element is associated with the tissue type vessels?
Fire.
Which element is paired with the seasonal period autumn?
The metal.
In the five element theory, which yin organ is paired with the gallbladder?
Letter E. Liver.
According to the five element cycles, which element is the acting element that overacts on Earth in a pathological condition?
Letter E. Wood.
Which emotion is attributed to the water element?
Fear.
In the control cycle, which
Letter
element
D.
normally restrains water?
Is earth. Letter C.
Which of the following grains is linked to fire element?
Beans. Letter B.
In the creation Shang cycle, what is the immediate successor of the fire element?
Is letter E. Earth.
Which domestic animal is linked to earth element?
Letter C. Ox.
In the counteracting or insult cycle, which element humiliates metal? Answer.
Is wood. Letter E.
Which sense organ is paired with the metal element?
Nose. Is letter C.
Which yin-yang characteristic is assigned to the fire element?
Utmost yang. Letter
Which,
B.
yeah, utmost yang. Which organ pair is designated as the emperor fire?
Letter B. Heart and small intestine.
Which organ belongs to the water element but is classified as a yang organ?
Is the
Answer.
Bladder. Letter B.
In the five-element
B.
framework, which season is paired with the metal element?
Is a letter C. Atom.
True or false? The five elements are wood, fire, earth, metal, water.
The answer is the true.
In the production cycle, wood promotes fire.
The same
True.
answer is true.
In the production cycle, fire promotes wood.
Yes. Is pulse. The answer is pulse.
Control cycle is also called the cool cycle.
True.
In the control cycle, wood interacts with earth.
The answer is true.
Next, in the control cycle, wood
True.
interacts with earth. Overacting in the control cycle is a normal situation.
His answer is a pulse.
The counteracting cycle refers to disease conditions.
True.
Wood humiliated by earth.
The answer is true.
Wood humiliated by earth is an example of the counteracting cycle. Answer?
True that.
When an element's chi is deficient, it overacts on the acted element. True or false?
False.
The 12 main meridians have points named well, spring, stream, river, sea.
The answer is true.
The season associated with fire is autumn.
Is a pulse.
The direction associated with earth is west.
Is a pulse.
The color of metal is white. True or false?
True.
The taste associated with water is sweet.
False.
The climate associated with wood is
The
dryness.
answer is false.
Yeah. The climate associated with wood
The
is
same
dryness.
false.
Yeah. The stage of development for earth is hot.
The answer is false.
The stage
True.
of yin yang for fire is lesser yang.
Is a false.
The grain linked to metal is hemp.
The answer is true.
Grain associated with earth is rice.
Yes, true.
Tissue associated kay mahimo man tang earth.
Oh, man. Earth.
The tissue associated
Yes.
with wood is sinews.
True. Yes,
Como
is
right.
that true?
Uy, magpalit kag kuan kana ganing pita bread. The emotion linked to metal
Pita bread.
sadness. Kato ganing rap. Ngayon, butangan
lagi rap.
Dili siya it's not high in calories. It has no calorie man. Dili taas.
Di kay siya bugat og calories na siya calories pero gamay ra.
Pero bugat siya og kuan, bugat siya sa matiyan, no?
Okay, taas man siya sugar food.
What is another name for the production or promotion cycle?
Is the most what promotion cycle? What is
What is another name?
Creation cycle.
Yeah. In the production cycle, which element does fire produce? Answer.
Earth.
What is the term for disharmony when wood does not promote fire?
Disharmony of production.
What is the name of the cycle?
Disharmony of production. The answer.
Okay. What is the name of the cycle that describes normal interaction?
Control cycle.
In the control cycle, which element overacts on metal?
Fire.
What is the cycle called that involves insults or
The
humiliation?
answer is fire.
Yeah, number 96. What is the cycle called that involves insults or humiliation?
Counteracting cycle.
In the counteracting cycle, which element is humiliated by earth?
Wood.
When chi of an element is in excess, it
The
overacts on
wood.
Okay, now next. When chi of an element is in excess, it overacts on which element?
Acted elements.
When chi of an element is in excess, it counteracts on which element?
Acting elements.
Okay. When chi of an element is deficient, it is attacked by which element?
The same. Acting elements.
Wow.
Element. Acting
Okay.
element.
Congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
Perfect score.